Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Hardesty, a board-certified plastic surgeon practicing here in Riverside, California. Today's topic is restoration of the frontal hairline. Now, everybody loses hair differently. Some people lose very little. Some people notice the receding temporal areas with a little tuft of hair up here, giving the look of a premature aged look, rather than a nice sculpted hairline that is consistent with a youthful appearance. So, how do we decide how to do it and how do we do it? Well, first of all, we want to interview you, do a consultation, make sure you're medically stable to do the procedure, and then specifically understand your needs, your wants, and your desires based on photographs. It's the day of the procedure. We will then draw on your scalp the proposed area of restoration. Briefly, how do we do that? We want it to be natural. So, we will do and use the state-of-the-art automated follicular extraction and transplantation. We'll go to the back of the scalp. There's no incisions, there's no sutures. It's all done through a pinprick, removing the follicular units. Now, the follicular units can be different. Sometimes they can contain one hair, sometimes two, three, and rarely four hairs. Look at your own scalp closely or somebody else's with a magnifying glass and you'll see that. Or on your leg, you can see that where they're usually just two hairs. But anyway, we then will take those hairs and take them to the back table, and using a magnification of a stereoscopic microscope, we will then process the hair by removing any extra tissue and having a precise hair follicle. Now we'll have a host of one hair follicles, we'll have another host of two hair follicles, and three and occasionally four. So what we do is on the front line, we'll use the individual single hairs, because that's where our hair is the thinnest, and we'll mimic that hairline that you had. And that will go for 2 to 3 rows, intermittent, random, that's consistent with your hairline down here. Then as we go back, we start making a more dense packing. We'll go to the 2 follicles, the 3 and 4, until the hair is completely restored. Therefore, restoration of the frontal hairline.